This very basic looking store right here makes $10,000 to $20,000 every single month, completely automated using AI. In this video, I'm going to show you all the insights on this store, revealing all the top videos, all AI automations which are actually used here, and all the methods that were actually used to make this work. Essentially, what we're doing with this store, we have a bunch of different products in the same exact niche, and we kind of alter the videos which we're posting in between the products. And whenever one of them actually gets saturated, we just start switching it up. The owner of this store is one of our mentorship clients, William. He's been running this store for a very long time, very consistently. It's making between $10,000 and $20,000 every single month. And let me first go over the AI use cases which are generally being done. Number one, all the posting is being done fully automated. I had a bunch of tutorials on how to actually do that, but essentially with this tool Blotato, you can connect your Instagram with your Claude, and from Claude, you can post anything that you want. In terms of the videos, it's a mix between actually filmed and AI videos themselves. Let me show you a few different examples.
This safe. We actually created the first portable safe that you can put right on the side of your seat and boom, you've got quick access and child-proof car carry. It fits most handguns and can be opened.
So as you can see, the creator itself is not showing his face. This character is an AI person. However, the clips are actually filmed. These clips were filmed once and then reused throughout the entire account for hundreds of videos. The main reason why the store has been working so consistently for such a long time is two things. Number one, diversification of products. William is not only selling one product, he's actually selling a bunch of different products in the same niche. And whenever the account just starts getting boring because it's the same product, the same content, it just starts being switched up. The very first product was this one. This right here is the initial concept. It's this gun holder for your house. The video concepts can get very repetitive. It's just someone breaking in and then you showcase the product. That's the most logical video you can do. However, now if you do the same product with a car, now you can use so many more clips in the beginning as the hook to now sell your car gun holder product. For example, you can do something like this. The hook obviously draws in the right people who care about this kind of stuff. They're going to actually keep watching this. And if you show them like a super cool looking clip in the beginning, it's going to work. Same here. The way to keep content fresh in general, finding good clips or generating clips with AI. Here, road rage, you can find a billion different clips with road rage. So that concept doesn't really get boring. It keeps making sense. The proper way to then sell your products is to have a link splitter like this, where you have a few different products. Obviously, different types of videos are going to go viral, and you're going to have to make sure that people get to the right page. In terms of the store, you're going to see it's very basic. There's nothing special about it at all. And the main reason is just a diversification of products. Also keep in mind that many people will buy this and this and this and this and this product because introducing new SKUs and new product variations in the same niche will actually increase the AOV which you have by default. It also helps tremendously in terms of email marketing and stuff like that. If you have one product and you keep emailing the same people the same product, it's not going to work as well as if you have a niche and you have different products in the niche and you send them different types of products. There's another very special thing. If you get a little bit more advanced with dropshipping and the goal is not to make your first $10,000, but to consistently make a bunch of money, the main thing which you have to look for is some sort of thing where you can stand out. You have to have some sort of advantage. You have to have some sort of unique product, some sort of unique thing which not everyone can copy. In times of AI, that's pretty hard to do because you can just replicate any product with a clip, which is just AI generated. Now, the interesting thing here is it's actually not that easy to generate gun products with AI. There's a bunch of regulations and rules around that, and it's not really doable. This niche by default will have people showing real guns. If you, for example, design your own product and actually make a fully custom product, which no one can replicate, that will make you stand out. And this is something which is so worth it after you have the basic skills. Like the roadmap generally should be, okay, let me make my first $10,000 generally general. And then after you start seeing, okay, this actually works, I see that this thing has potential, then you have to lock in and building something long-term. The way to do it is having something special. Now, there's different types of advantages that you can have, but making a custom product by default already makes people not being able to copy it. Keep in mind, please don't do this if you're a beginner. If you're not confident that the custom product you're making is actually a winner, is actually good, and you don't have an eye for winning product, by all means, never do that ever. In my opinion, one of the cooler parts about this product is the whole finger scanner thing, which makes it just feel like this is an actual brand which developed this whole thing by themselves. As long as your product looks really unique, that's more than enough to have people buy from your specific store and not start Googling it and searching it up on Amazon. Another really important thing with unique products like this one is the name. And it might sound weird. However, listen, if you would name this thing in a very specific way, like gun bed holster with fingerprint or something like that, then people just see that name and they instantly search it up on Google and buy from somebody else. Also, this is something which might help with an audience which is a little bit older. Like, we can imagine that these types of products will attract older people. What we're going to do is we're going to add this how to order thing. It's a very simple instruction on how to order it, but sometimes either the link is missing or they just don't know where to click or whatever it is. This is how you ensure they know what to do. Keep in mind, this is only one of the strategies we have. Right now with AI, we're just able to push out so much more volume in terms of content that is actually being posted. This is the main advantage which you can also have, especially if you're posting the right content. And what you're going to get in our program is one-on-one calls with people like William, who actually became a coach in our program now, who you're going to be able to ask any questions that you want to help you with. They're going to review your product, they're going to review your videos, your store, everything you need. We will make sure that you actually succeed with it if you actually listen to us. As I said, with AI, we have a bunch of different strategies. This is just one of them. If you're interested in starting to work with us, click the link below, sign up for a call, and we're going to see if it's a good fit.